Owning a broker-dealer registered in the Cayman Islands can be lucrative, and if you have the experience with trading stocks, bonds, or forex, and have a global network of potential high net worth clients, you're already off to a good start. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can help you start your own broker-dealer. Hey, it's Frank Nagy and welcome to my channel where we help financial entrepreneurs grow their business in the financial markets. If you're new here, click on that subscribe button and hit that like button. Since 1998, I have been providing financing and business consultation to global clients who function as traders, money managers, and investment advisors seeking to launch their own hedge fund, prop firm, or broker-dealer. Now, as a former FINRA licensed registered rep with Series 7 licenses, investment managers and traders have benefited from my experience and knowledge in the fund management and securities business. By working alongside of my experienced securities attorneys and clearing firms and banks and other brokerages, as well as making the appropriate introductions with proper service providers, I'm able to greatly reduce the burden of setting up your hedge fund, prop firm, and in this video, a Cayman Islands broker-dealer. So here are 7 ways on how you can start your own broker-dealer. Business plan. You'll need a business plan for your broker-dealer. It is a requirement if you choose to register your firm with the Cayman Islands Monetary Authority. Your plan should include startup costs, trade processes, investment money, your competition, expected profits, and a risk analysis. In addition to the business plan, I'll help you with setting up your anti-money laundering manual, KYC compliance, policy procedures, business succession plan, applications, and so on, as many other documents required. Financial regulations. One of the first steps in starting your firm will be to establish a legal business entity in the Cayman Islands. The Cayman Islands have been ranked a major financial center for over 20 years and remain the preferred choice of jurisdiction for most hedge funds, banks, and institutional investors. You will also need to register your firm with the Cayman Islands Monetary Authority, or CIMA for short. I'll help you navigate through that process with the application and setting up the whole structure. A registered person, your Cayman broker-dealer, is one which falls under paragraph 4 of Schedule 4 of the Securities Investment Business Law, or SIBL, which relates to a company carrying on a security investment business exclusively for high net worth persons or sophisticated investors. As a registered broker-dealer in the Cayman Islands, you are permitted to offer traditional brokerage services such as underwriting stocks and bonds, be a market maker, and provide investment advice. One of the benefits of a Cayman Islands registered broker-dealer is that you don't have to have a physical office on the island. You would be able to accept customers anywhere in the world except persons from the US or any sanctioned country. By working with my attorneys, they can determine how to market your broker-dealer to countries without violating local laws. Website. Because most broker-dealers trading takes place online, you'll need a website that stands out and meets the expectation of clients. Some software providers offer website templates in their package. I'll help you choose a provider that will allow you to make edits and changes that sets you apart from the competition. Bank account. To run your brokerage firm, you'll need a business bank account. Unfortunately, offshore banks are sometimes hesitant to offer forex businesses, brokerage businesses, a business account. You may need to contact several banks before finding one that will work with you. As your consultant, I have many alternative solutions to combat this challenge. Liquidity provider and securities clearing. Liquidity providers and clearing firms frequently aggregate liquidity for global banks, financial institutions, and other market makers. I work with LPs and clearing firms that provide solutions for startup broker-dealers. Some have minimum commission thresholds that need to be budgeted in your monthly expense, and they can range from $5,000 and up, and some don't. I work with a number of clearing firms and software vendors that work collaboratively together where, based on my introduction, will permit your new firm to utilize a CRM platform along with trading options and liquidity through the clearing broker at zero cost. Click on the link below on how to start a broker-dealer and you'll find out more. Portal. Your client portal is the software that your clients will use to view accounts, enter payment options, view forms, and upload documents. This software will be an important part of how you interact with your client, so choose one that has a friendly and professional user interface. Some technology firms that I work with can provide the tools that would enable multiple languages, trading analytics, as well as traditional order flow tools. Back office. The backbone of every brokerage firm is their back office and their software. The software brokerage provides revenue calculation, fee management, compliance tools, partnership management, and other essential software for running your business. Through its customer relationship management system, or CRM, your broker-dealer should be able to perform admin functions such as setting up workflows, receiving leads, allocating tasks, trade parameters, and risk analytics. Starting a broker-dealer registered in the Cayman Islands may seem overwhelming in the beginning, but if you break down the process of opening your own firm into smaller pieces, it can be much more manageable. Hiring an experienced and broker-dealer consultant like Frank Nagy Financial Services will greatly reduce the burden of setting up your firm. As your consultant, I will make the appropriate introductions with liquidity providers, software vendors, and provide financial management tools that will help your brokerage firm grow.